So Adobe Media Encoder can be easily used to convert out audio files as well. So for that, you can simply click on the plus button and load up an audio file that you want to convert. For example, I got the audio right here. So let me just go ahead and select this out and then click on open. So you can see that this is what you have. You got the treasure hunt music right here, just like this. So now what I can simply do to convert it is this is an MP3 file, as you can see right here, a MP3 file. You can go ahead right here and convert to other audio formats like AAC, or let's say for example MP3 itself as well, and so forth. You can convert it into video formats as well, but of course, since the source file does not have a video, the video will simply be black. So I'm just going to go around over here, select AAC audio, and then what you can do is choose an audio format. You can even go around over here, as you can see that the source right here is stereo, and you can see it is 44,100 Hz. You can go ahead and choose, let's say for example, similar options in the audio as well. So this is it, 44,100, channel is stereo, and you can choose, let's say, smaller bit depth to conserve some file space. So now around over here, you don't see a preview right here because that is not a video. You don't have a frame for it. So now what you can do is go around over here onto the output name, select out, let's say for example, an output space, click on save right here, and then simply press OK and hit the play button in order to go ahead and convert out this audio file right here, just like this. So that is simply how you can go ahead and convert audio file from one audio file format to the next inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.